Yeah, here we go. Ding, ding, ding.
All right, ding, ding, ding. Let's see what AMD's doing. AMD has some really good volume. It's really weak right now.
Oh, PLTR just got slammed.
Spies going down. Boy, natural gas is heating up because of Iran situation. It's up 5%. Delta rejected. Yeah, I can't get the MU here. Tesla is pretty weak, down 2.5%. Maybe a short on Tesla. Let's see. 380.
Everything just got whacked right at the open.
Yeah, there's a lot of weakness. So I'm thinking of shorting Tesla
I'm,
right now. See
I'm
if we can
long.
get. I'm short Tesla. Got a partial fill. See if we can get through 382. We get the 382. See if we can get to 381.
Long PLTR. Let's see if it can hold 150.
What AMD? What about MU? MU is bouncing back. I'm short Tesla 383. See if you can get the breakout toward 380 level. SPY is trying to bounce back.
Here we go with PLTR. Come on, bounce back, baby. Bounce back. That's a girl.
MU, I'm going to go long on MU2 at 428. MU looks like it wants to pop up. I don't get the Atlas on MU. Let me see. MU. For some reason, I don't get that in there. Actually, MU is not really bullish at all, so I gotta get out.
Still got sellers hitting hitting every pop. As I mentioned earlier, any pop looks like it's going to get sold.
Sold off. Yeah, NVIDIA is selling off heavily. And MU is popping up. MU doesn't have much of an order to the upside, so I might get out of it. 428. Tesla, see if Tesla can break down. I'm short Tesla, guys. I want to see it get to 380, and I'm long MU as of here. I'm gonna get out of MU at 429. Partial in 429.27. Oh yeah, Tesla is selling off too.
Yeah, I'm just partial some there on PLTR, just that pop.
Wow, Tesla is going down really nicely. Let's see if MU can get to 430. I haven't partial on Tesla yet. I want to see if it can get to 380. MU now looks like it's popping up, even though MU doesn't have much of a order to the upside. I'm all out of MU. Let's focus on Tesla. See if you can Tesla can get the Tesla to 380 has a big order. NVIDIA is
selling a little more on PLTR, just right at the view app here. Silver may pop.
right, let's see if Tesla can go through what 380. We had
Come
the
on.
380 order. It might not be a bad idea to partial some here on Tesla. Let's see if we can get to 380. The orders are at 380 down there. Partialing some at here at 381. Let's see if we can get to 380. NVIDIA also setting up very nicely. I'm gonna send some orders to cover my short on Tesla. I have 2,000 shares left. I'm gonna cover 500 shares at. Oh, there you go. Oh, beautiful. All right, I'm covering here. Nice. It's a really nice drop toward 380 level.
Elon would be very upset with you if he knew you were shorting
It's okay.
his stock. There we go. Now we're popping through the VWAP on PLTR. Now we got to get through these moving averages. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is nice. Yes, yes. Very good, very good.
What's the Rivian?
We're going to go. Come on, PLTR, go green. And it took a little more off there on that pop through the moving averages.
What's the news on Rivian? Is it earning?
Rivian had some. They had some agreement. Got some agreement with S&B.
Nice. Right, Tesla.
Yeah, Uber investment.
Uber for vehicles, huh? Nice. So Uber is buying. Uber is buying
for vehicles.
Vehicles to. My Atlas is for MU is messed up. I don't know why.
Yeah.
MU popped up.
That was a nice pop on PLTR. Still holding some here on PLTR.
Yeah, my Atlas is surprisingly messed up. Yeah, MU turned out to be a really nice one.
Stuff's bouncing a bit. USO is down. Does that mean oil is down this morning? I guess.
Oh, MU pops up.
Yeah, I was surprised MU. MU had such an amazing quarter.
User SPY's trying to bounce and hold.
Yeah, SPY's trying to bounce. Come on, PLTR. Get your ass in gear. Here we go.
Shit, MU is really nice, going up nicely. My Atlas MU is kind of messed up. SPY, you see, my bid and ask is kind of stuck. I don't know, it's giving me a hard time. It looks like it's only me that have this problem. But MU turned out to be a really nice green range breakup. Yeah, MU could be a stay long. I'm gonna see if we can. It doesn't load for me in our staging environment. So you have the same spread, Patrick. Yeah, this spread is an issue. I think this is. I think there is an issue. Yeah. So when you see, it looks like it's stuck on one of them. So I'll quickly send it to. But MU looks pretty strong. So I might get back in there long. Break up 435 window. I don't have a good atlas right now. I'm gonna go back at the 434. I'm still short on Tesla as well, guys. 5 minutes on MU is super bullish. Oh, there you go. It's popping up. Nice. Nice, popping up. 436.
Diddly
436.
doodly. Diddly doodly, neighborino.
Yeah. All right. So let's see if Atlas can go toward higher prices.
Whoa, yes. There we go. PLTR, baby.
Silver and green, huh? Nice. All right, Tesla's coming back to my break-even point, and I'm short. So I'm covering my short in Tesla, guys. So the only thing that I have right now is long MU.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Partialing now. Love it.
Yes, sir.
Anyone take that PLTR trade with me? Nice. Nice, guys. That was a beauty. We can take that. Still have some. See if we can keep ripping here. It's a
All right.
big order of 160. That's a long ways away.
All right. So MU is pulling back. I'm thinking of adding some back on the MU here for 34.50. Even though the MU seems that the Atlas, there's not much Atlas going on MU. NVIDIA is so weak. What's Microsoft doing? Oh, Microsoft went green. Interesting. And you crushed the earning, huh? But it still had the.
Yeah. Crazy.
Tesla is really going back up. Towards green. I'm long 3,000 shares of MU. I can't believe MU is trading at $400. I don't know when to get out of it though. Do you think we might have another pop or no? It's done. It looks like it's done. LNG guys is going up. Here we we go. Let's see if MU can make this push right now. $4.39 again. My bid and ask is stuck. Yeah, it still just doesn't load the bid and ask for me properly on MU.
Because of stonks, you think so?
Let's see if
Oh,
MU
that's good.
can another breakout. All right, here we go. Come on, MU. Break of 5 today, that would be nice. MU is really in play, so. Yeah, my atlas is a little bit messed up on it, but my average is 430, 436, 437. There you go. I'm selling some here. Let's see if we can get to 438. I have now 2,000 shares left. 438, 500 shares left. 438, $500. 439, another $500. Putting some order up there on the mute. That was a nice scalp on MU, even though I missed the big move. Oh, no, it's dropping. No, don't drop. Ah. All right, I'm getting out of it. Move my break even. Could bounce back, but I just got out of it.
Probably be good once things settle. I would imagine it would be a good long.
Right now, MU?
No,
Yeah.
I think things need to settle out a bit. But I mean, just that quarter was amazing, and even their guidance just like blew up.
Alright, so now MU looks like it wants to go back up. I don't know if I should go back in there or not. I'm gonna get another long on MU. I probably shouldn't, but it looks like it's trying to really recover. Above the VWAP. This coming back. NVIDIA is holding the bottom here. What's AMD doing? AMD, the semis are getting all heat, huh? Yeah, let's see if getting another long on MU. Looks like it held the VWAP.
It came back down, bounced off the VWAP there.
NVIDIA is holding. PLTO is coming back up.
Yeah, SPY and Qs are breaking out.
Rivian. Yeah, SPY is making new highs, so market is shouldn't think. Tesla is coming back up. was thinking of getting a long on NVIDIA, but let's wait a little bit. It's 9:50. It's 20 minutes only, huh? What's the futures are doing? Futures are recovering. ES and EQ are recovering both, similar to SPY.
Tesla's come up through the 9, hitting the 20, PLTR breaking out. Diddly doodly.
I'm adding a little bit more on MU. I think MU has the potential to test the highs one more time. PLTR is coming back, MD is coming back.
Look at PLTR. Go, baby. You go. You go, girl.
154 in PLTR is in play.
Yeah, 154. We're coming up. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Tesla really bounced back nicely. Yeah, Tesla bounced back really nicely. That was a good short that we got at the open. If MU can go to highs, 438, 490, it would be really nice. I still have the issue with the MU, huh? Yeah, I can't load it here.
What's Hood doing? Oil's dropping more, eh? USO.
All right, Amy looks like he wants to go. Let's see. Hey, my Atlas is kind of messed up on MU. Is it me?
Rallying, yeah.
You guys are having the issue also as well on MU that the bid and ask are messed up, or that's only me? You guys having an issue, huh? I emailed the developers. Frozen coats. All right, Tesla bounced back, NVIDIA bounced back nicely. Let's see if MU can go to 439 high of the day. I have some orders up there, 438, 439. Yeah, it might be a server issue, guys. Just an email. Oh, there you go. I got filled at 438 on MU.
Nice.
$440, I have to order $440.
It's like the SPY and the Qs want to keep rallying here.
Yeah, I know. The market is really seems that it's pushing. Shit, I didn't get filled at 439. I'm gonna go up 438.99 and MU. But I can add a little more on it. Let's see if you can go 440. 440.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's pick over there. I would sell another 500 shares at 440 on MU. So it will turn out to be good. Even though it gap down, it showed the strength. So it means that maybe the sell-off was a little bit of a reaction.
Yeah, look at MVAS rip.
All right, let's see if you can go to 440 as a great move on that. Tesla is rejecting the VWAP. Market is.
Market's still hanging in there.
I was thinking of taking Nvidia long, but I just had too much going on with MU and Tesla. But I was really thinking of getting into MU long, Nvidia long.
Important thing to know is Peter making money this morning?
Peter is making money.
Is Peter making money? That's what I want to know. I know he's listening.
I know Carlos did a really nice trade on AMD long.
Oh man, it's raining so much here.
Come on, MU. Don't bounce back. So, Doug, do you have puts? So, what's your trades, Doug?
No. Oh, they're getting hammered. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's kind of warm. It's like 10 degrees here. Yeah, all the people that were hoping to go up first, the kids that were going up for, and the families going up for spring break at Whistler. I mean, they had Saturday was good, and then everything started to getting washed out.
All right, guys. MU is gonna go 439. I have order. I got filled, and I have order at 440. That's really good. No, that's a big. That's a
Which,
really.
which, oh, are you still trading MU?
Yeah, you're not in this with me. You missed the rally from
No,
434.
I traded PLTR. I'm just
Brian, you are so missing out. Jump in now. I'm just gonna
yeah, right.
give FOMO to Brian. Yeah, I've ordered a
Yeah, yeah,
440 now on MU.
yeah. Jump in so I can sell.
That is amazing. Yeah,
I know
let's go.
you. I know you care a lot about me. You want to make sure I make money.
MU now has big Atlas at 440.
Sean. Okay, I'm long some Nvidia.
All right, guys, my developers restarted the server on MU, so that's all right. So it's
Big order at 178.
all right. 441, nice. MU, nice. I'm gonna put some order at 541, 500 shares. Going back to bed.
这个两区刚左右吧。
I had a really good day, and both MU and Tesla. It's excellent.
Excellent.
Monsieur Brian. You know, Meta stopped their metaverse program. They said they wasted $100 billion on that program. Can you believe that, Brian? Thinking about bad management. $100 billion they wasted on that program on metaverse.
What's his name can afford it. Remember, everybody was buying all these properties in the metaverse?
Oh, man. Jesus, man.
It's like make believe spaces.
I cannot believe humanity. They purchased JPEG files for millions of dollars.
Yeah. Remember all those stories about these kids that were making these stupid drawings of animals and selling them as JPEG files and making money. It was hilarious.
Unbelievable.
Come on. Okay, NVIDIA.
All right, NVIDIA is
We're
going
still
up very
long.
nicely. PLTR is going up nicely. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if MU goes to, oh, there you go, 443. I got another 500 shares at 443. Wow. The MU is going to go to 444, so I'm going to put 200 shares at 444. Oh, we are making so much money. And 445. That's amazing, guys. Did anyone catch MU with me, guys, on the launch? That was amazing. Nice. David from Connecticut. 8 years David from Connecticut has been trading with us. Nice. You know what?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. I'm gonna add a little bit
Nice.
more here as well. I'm gonna add a little bit more here. Sammy is gonna rip. I'm gonna add a little bit more here as well. It's gonna go to 442. Nice. Sammy. Nice, Thomas.
Look at
Thomas,
AMD. Wow.
Thomas, you're not coming to Egypt with us. You've been always coming to our retreats. Egypt is gonna be the best next week. So Mike, so MU was essentially a 5 minute opening range breakup. So
Yeah.
the strategy on MU was let me bring the where am I?
Yellow BB. Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Added.
444, 445. That's what I want.
Just added to my position on that pullback on NVIDIA.
All right, I have orders, guys, at 444 and 445. I mean, I added more a little bit on the way up, so I think I wouldn't be surprised if MU is going to go green today. It's ripping really crazy. 445.
Well, after that quarter, holy crap.
Amazing. Four 45, what do you mean? Yeah. Oh, I didn't get filled. Oh, I get filled. Yeah. Nice. Amazing. I have only 600 shares left, so I'm up $23,000. 600 shares. Okay, I'm gonna put another 200 shares at 446, just to be part of history. Tesla. What a great move on you.
Yeah, so I jumped in. I got a couple hundred shares. Oh, look at that, through 445. Nice.
You got FOMO, Brian?
Yeah, I got FOMO.
Told you. Told you, Brian.
I think you're right. I think like there is a possibility that this actually could go green on the day, or at least get very close to PDC.
Yeah, I think it's really ripping. I just added more on it. It's very nice, very strong, excellent.
Looking for 178 on NVIDIA. It's got to get through this S4 level, 177.90. Qs. SPY are kind of stalled here. Actually, I don't like it. I'm getting out of the rest of it. It's dropping now through the moving averages. Might bounce off the VWAP here.
What are you trading, Brian? What is it?
NVIDIA.
Oh, NVDA. Tesla. Tesla is kind of a stock. MU dropped. Oh, it didn't hit the 446. MU might give us a 920. I might add into 920 if it comes to 20 moving average. Did you guys have a good day? It was a really, really nice day. in the chat room.
Yeah, I'm all out of PLTR. I think it's it's gone red on the day. Nvidia is still holding a little bit. Seems like it wants to go back up. Still got that order at 178. There we go. Nice, nice.
All right, Brian. 446 is in play. Oh, SPY's ripping, brother.
Yeah, look at her go. Look at, ooh, Nvidia.
Congratulations, everybody
Nvidia.
who stayed strong. I'm gonna add a little bit more on the new here, see if we can get a breakout of 446.
Yeah, look at it. Yeah, AMD pop too, right?
Yeah.
The war is over.
The war is over. The war is not over, but it will be over soon. All right, got filled 446 guys on MU. MU just keeps ripping. The next level on MU would be 450, I guess. Oh, yeah, I got 200 shares at 450.
Here we go. Here we go with Nvidia. Big pop. There you go. Bang. What does Paris say? Boom.
Yeah, I'm still heavy. Not heavy. I have 800 shares left on NU.
Yeah, I got out of PLTR.
PLTR was disappointing. Nvidia was a nice balance.
I keep adding back into it. It came back up. I didn't quite get to the VWAP though. All right.
All right, MU is gonna go to 450. I think I have orders at 450. Maybe I put some at 449 just in case. Nice. Nice, excellent. Hey guys, 449. I have orders 450. It's creeping, yeah. It's moving averages as well. Guys, they're buying. Oh, there you go. I got filled. Buying, amazing, yeah. I added as well. You saw that. 450 now. There's a big atlas on it. Boom.
Okay.
All right, let's see if we can get to 450. SPY is not down that much. SPY is at 200 moving average. Oh, it's just below 200 moving average on a weekly chart. SPY maybe goes to 650, the 200 daily moving average, on weekly, sorry, weekly moving average. So that could be a good. Nvidia is ripping nicely. Nice prediction.
Yeah, and it is moving up here. Finally got through that 178 area. Well, kind of a false breakout on the Qs and SPY there.
I still have 600 shares of MU. See if we can get to 450. Ali wants to short his buy Tesla. I don't know, Ali. It's
You know, you can buy MU in Canadian dollars hedged. One of these ADRs.
Brian, if you have $12 million, what would you do?
Buy a boat.
Buy a boat in Vancouver? Have you looked outside? Just go boating, huh? It's. I
You
mean,
should
boats are. I get it if you live in islands.
set up a scholarship at UBC in your name.
I did already. I already have one.
Oh, do you? Okay,
Oh, yeah, Andres is. Oh, of course I do.
nice.
I do
It's
have
very generous of you.
Andres is graduate student award.
Awesome.
It's not for tax
Okay.
purposes. You get the tax break from it, so I pay
Yeah.
$10,000 a year, so it's tax deductible. That's nice.
Just
All right, there's MU doing MU
Yeah, I'm
450
gonna
450.
short. I'm gonna short some Tesla.
Invalid price? I don't know. Is it for options or I don't know. I don't get invalid price. Um, I think MU is gonna
Big.
get 450. As a matter of fact, it
There's
might
a big
actually.
order. There's a big order on Tesla at 380.
3 on Tesla.
We're not that far from there now.
380 going down. Oh yeah. Just I just want to get to MU 450 because there are big orders up there too.
You want to be part of history.
Yeah, I mean I am part of history. My orders are up there at 450.
All right, here comes. I'm going to cover some Tesla. Here we go, coming down to 380. See, look at that. There's the value of Market Atlas right there. It's exactly where I kind of thought it was going. Selling, or at least covering some. There you go. Ooh, that's a statistic, John.
Brian, are you considering yourself a retired person or you're still working? What does retirement mean really?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Do I consider myself a retired person? No, not at all. I'm
So
enjoying working.
enjoying working.
I really enjoy working. Not
So
too hard. That's
Luxley
the
is asking a
beauty of.
question. When you saw a big order at 380, do you see buy or sell order? If the price is above that order, is a buy order. And if it's below the order, um, it's the, it's obviously the order depends on where
Bearish.
the current price is buy or sell. So right now Tesla is trading at 380, 22
Mhm.
cents, and the big order at 380. That means that that's actually not Tesla I'm looking at. That means that the big order at 380 is a buy order.
Yeah, it was a big buy order. And he stopped working at 88. Yeah, I can see getting close to 90. You're
Ooh,
probably burned out enough that you probably just don't have the energy. My dad lasted till he was 95. He was still puttering around with things. He had hobbies. He designed model airplanes and built them in his workshop.
95, man. Jeez. 95. That's
I mean,
crazy.
you have to do something. You can't just sit around and watch
Yeah.
TV. Hockey, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think my hockey days might be over with his shoulder.
All right, so MU is gonna go to a 450, I think. I added more. It's still holding. MU seems pretty
Yeah,
strong.
look at her go, baby.
Oh, there you go. People are buying into MU. 450.
All right, I've just covered the rest of that Tesla because that was a low of day, very close.
Ah, come on,
I
MU.
know Tesla's going to bounce here. Low of day was 397.70, 379.70. We came really close to that. Look at it bounce. What Tesla's so predictable sometimes.
Wow, beautiful. There we go. Here we
It
go.
bounced right off that low that happened at 936. Now, where it goes from here, I'm not really sure. So I see some big buy orders down at 375. It's possible that it could gravitate to those orders, but I'm not. It's going to depend what the market does. Because the market kind of did a false breakout around 1010. Couldn't push higher, broke out, immediately pulled back. That's never a good sign. Whether the market's going down and then snaps back after a new low, or if it pops up to a new high and then drops back immediately after, that's always a good sign of a reversal.
All right, so MU is gonna go. I'm adding a little bit more on MU here to see if we can get a break of 450. I think MU is getting ready to go toward the 450. Orders are also up there.
Mm.
Yeah, one person came in. Faris came in early in the morning. They usually come at 8, but Faris is coming at 7:30. Why are you so early here? People are asking in the community.
I have no schedule.
He has no schedule.
It's 6 a.m. class.
He has a 6 a.m. class, so yeah,
Is
Faris.
that Raza?
That's Faris.
Oh,
Yeah, Faris is organizing the Egypt trip for us. Also, he's helping us in rebranding trading terminal and creating content to promote trading terminal and the tools that we're building. So he's working with me right now. He's coming to the office, but he has no schedule right now. He just showed up at 7:30. That's the kind of person that I want, showing up early in the work. All right, so let's see, guys. I added MU, guys. I have 900 shares of MU. My average is 441. I want to get to 450. Yeah, come on, come on. Yes. Gonna go to 450. Retired at 56, Ed. Oh man, Ed, I'm also really freaks me out because I have enough money not to need to work, and retirement freaks me out. That what should I do with my life?
Um, Philanthropy.
Philanthropy, yeah. Philanthropy. Learn to golf. Yeah,
Learn
golf
to
must be.
golf.
I never play golf, but golf must be really good because all the rich people are playing golf. Everything that rich
It's
people
a,
do is good. Must be good.
it's a social game, if anything. Yeah, once I get my shoulder back working, I'll teach you. I'll take you out. I'll teach you how to golf, or teach you how not to golf.
I guess we keep trading. We just keep growing that account, and we just keep buying Lamborghinis. And
Yeah, I can. Yeah, we can start with mini golf. Yeah,
all right,
Gary.
450, guys. We got to the 450. Now 452. I got a feeling that is marked by some market atlas. Let me see what's happening. Yeah, I mean MU is gonna go. What the fuck was that gap down then? I really don't get it. Why gap down? 455, 4.
Jason. Yeah, we could. We should do. Yeah, we should learn curling too. Lawn bowling. Lawn bowling is big with retirees.
All right, 453. All right, so I'll put some order at 450. Oh, Jesus, look at this amazing capital flowing to MU. Look at this beautiful move, man. This serious buying going on in MU. Absolutely amazing. Did you guys have a good day? Everybody should have a good day. It was a really easy day, wasn't it? Like MU
Yeah,
I mean, I'll check the funded account traders. You shouldn't have blown up. It was so easy.
What was up?
Like the short on Tesla was great. MU long was great.
Microsoft also done.
Damn, very bad day, Harvey. I just bought a new Lamborghini Urus hybrid. It's the electric hybrid. Alex, your break even. Break even is good. All right, 455. Come on, I have some order at 450. I have some orders somewhere. 455. How many shares I have? I haven't. Let's set another.
what a great opportunity to buy MU at a discount.
Man, it's just great. It's telling you I have the best earning ever. The future is bright. I'm blowing up. Gapping down 7%. Like, what was that gap down about?
I don't. That was weird. Yeah,
It's weird. Like they said the future is ours. This is
yeah.
it. And then they're gapping down 7%.
You was
I think it was just a combination of market,
moving out of
um, just the general feel in the market, and it was also the fact that over the week and a half before this earnings report, the thing ran up like 30% into this print. It's like literally up 100 bucks from 360 to 460 before they reported in just over a week.
458. Yeah, 458 would be a level as well. So we're getting there. 458 sell.
A nice rally back on the Qs and the SPY. Look at that. I bounced right off 589, which is the level I had on the Qs marked from the pre-market. It was that was the low of the pre-market where it bounced. God, if you trade these indexes, you've got to have those levels, pre-market high and low marked on there. It seems like the algos really watch those.
All right, the SPY is coming back to the high of the day for 48. Let's see, I have some TQQ as a swing trade on my small accounts. I have a small account that has $550,000 in it. I have some TQQ on it. Should I buy more? Let me see. I have some TQQ in there. I have 2,000 shares of TQQ. Oh, market is gonna go lower. What do you think, Ryan? I'm gonna buy a little bit more here. It's good. So MU, Cash, MU obviously had the earning. So yesterday earning, we did go live actually on YouTube as well for the earning, and that was the reason. And it was gapping down, but I saw that it really holding the strength below the VWAP, and essentially did a really nice 5-minute range breakup. And the first trade that I did, I could make way more money on it, but the first trade that I did, I got out. Second trade, I also got out early, but the last trade was just the one that really started moving up. So 5-minute range breakup on a stock that is in play, very high volume, very high liquidity, and has a fundamental news on it. So it's the stocks in play.
Nice. AMD is really trying to go green here.
IWM is trying to bounce back. VIX is at 26.